Today we are going to learn about mastering Jupyter Notebook Extensions. We'll cover how to install, configure, and utilize extensions to enhance your productivity in data analysis and visualization tasks. Welcome to our video on mastering Jupyter Notebook Extensions. Jupyter Notebook is a powerful tool used by data scientists and analysts worldwide. However, its true potential is unlocked through extensions. Extensions are add-ons that enhance Jupyter's core functionality, allowing for a customized and streamlined workflow. They offer capabilities ranging from improved data visualization to enhanced code execution and notebook appearance. In this video, you'll learn the essentials of installing, configuring, and using Jupyter Notebook extensions to boost your productivity. Let's prepare by ensuring your Jupyter environment is set up and ready for some exciting enhancements.
To begin enhancing your Jupyter Notebook, you must first know how to install extensions. The Jupyter Extension Manager is your go-to interface for this. Start by opening your Jupyter Notebook and accessing the Extension Manager from the menu bar. Here, you'll find a plethora of extensions available for installation. Browse through the list or use the search function to find the extensions you need. Once you've identified the desired extension, click on Install. After installation, remember to activate the extension by toggling the on/off switch next to its name. Finally, verify the installation by checking if the extension is operational within your notebooks, ensuring all functionalities are working as expected. Productivity extensions can significantly boost your efficiency in data analysis tasks. Let's explore some top choices. nbdime is an excellent tool for diffing and merging Jupyter notebooks, essential for collaborative projects. You can easily track changes and resolve conflicts. Collapsible Headings allows you to organize your notebook by collapsing code cells under headings, making navigation easier. The Table of Contents extension automatically generates a table of contents for your notebook, ensuring quick access to different sections. Lastly, Execute Time records the execution time of each cell, providing insights into performance bottlenecks. By integrating these extensions, your analysis workflow becomes more streamlined and efficient. nbextensions is a powerful tool for managing your Jupyter Notebook extensions. To get started, you need to install it using pip. Execute pip install Jupyter_contrib_nbextensions. Once installed, launch Jupyter Notebook, and you'll see an nbextensions tab in the menu. This tab provides a centralized location to manage all your installed extensions. From here, you can enable or disable extensions, configure settings, and explore new features. The interface is intuitive, allowing for easy navigation and management. By using nbextensions, you maintain control over your extensions, ensuring your notebook environment is tailored to your specific needs. This centralized management enhances both productivity and user experience. Jupyter_contrib_nbextensions offers a multitude of features to enhance data visualization in your Jupyter notebooks. This package includes various extensions specifically designed to improve how data is presented and interacted with. To install, use the command pip install Jupyter_contrib_nbextensions, followed by Jupyter contrib nbextension install user. With these extensions, you can create more dynamic and interactive plots, improve the readability of data outputs, and customize visual elements to better suit your analytical needs. Examples include interactive widgets and advanced plotting capabilities that bring your data to life, making your analysis more insightful and engaging.
While extensions greatly enhance Jupyter Notebook's functionality, it's vital to consider security. Extensions can introduce vulnerabilities, especially if sourced from untrusted repositories. Always evaluate the source of an extension before installation. Rely on well-known repositories and community-reviewed extensions to minimize risks. Regularly check for updates to both Jupyter and your extensions, as updates often include security patches. Implement best practices by reviewing community discussions and ratings to ensure the extension is safe and reliable. By prioritizing security, you protect your data integrity and maintain a secure working environment within Jupyter. Customizing your Jupyter Notebook's appearance and behavior can significantly enhance your user experience. With extensions, you can change themes, modify code cell behavior, and personalize the interface layout. Begin by exploring theme extensions that alter the notebook's look, such as Jupyter Themes, which offers a variety of color schemes and font options. Modify code cell behavior by using extensions that allow for auto-completion or enhanced syntax highlighting. Personalize the interface by rearranging toolbar items or adding custom buttons. Utilizing nbextensions, you can effortlessly integrate these customizations, creating a notebook environment that aligns with your workflow preferences and aesthetic tastes.
Encountering issues with Jupyter Notebook extensions is not uncommon, but most problems have straightforward solutions. Common issues include extensions not loading correctly, conflicts between extensions, or compatibility problems with Jupyter updates. Begin troubleshooting by identifying the specific problem and reviewing error messages. Reinstall the problematic extension if necessary, ensuring it's the latest version. Check compatibility with your current Jupyter version, as some extensions may require updates. If issues persist, seek help from the Jupyter community forums or GitHub repositories, where experienced users and developers can offer guidance. By following these steps, you can resolve most extension-related problems efficiently. In conclusion, mastering Jupyter Notebook Extensions empowers you to enhance your data analysis and visualization tasks significantly. We've covered how to install, configure, and utilize various extensions to improve productivity and customize your working environment. Extensions are invaluable tools that transform Jupyter Notebooks into a more dynamic and personalized platform. I encourage you to explore further and experiment with different extensions to discover what best suits your workflow. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and encourages you to dive deeper into the world of Jupyter Notebook Extensions. Your feedback is always welcome.